Hi guys, this is BBU-timization. In this video, I will introduce one Linux command called find. Find command allows us to search for files and directories based on simple search conditions. If you are working with a large number of files on daily basis, find command can be very useful for you. Today, our working directory is 20 Spring under Documents, under View, under Users, and we are in the directory. So first, let's see the syntax of the find command. There are 5 sections: options, location, expression, action, and name. Options and action, they are optional. So in this video, let me simplify the syntax without using options and action. So our syntax becomes find, locations, expression, and name. This table shows the short description and examples of each section. However, rather than go over the entire table at this moment, let me show you a simple example with the description. After find, we have to specify the directory. In this example, this single dot means the current directory. Then we have to specify what types of object we are looking for. This dash name means the basic object name. So dash name will search for directories and files both. If we want to just search for files, you can give dash type f dash name instead of dash name. In the same way, if you just want to search for directories, you can give dash type d dash name instead of dash name. Then the last section is the object name you are interested in. So once you run this command will search for directories and files named object name from the current directory. Okay, then let's run some find commands for practice. First, let's see the directories and the files in this directory. There are 4 folders. And let's run the first practice command. Find from the current directory, directories and the files both named syllabus.txt. Then output shows that there are 2 syllabus.txt files. The first one is under statistics folder, and the second one is under management folder. And then let's run the second practice command. Find from the current directory, directories and the files both with named optimization, whatever. Once we run this command, we expect the output should include at least optimization 1 and optimization 2. And let's see the result. But the result shows optimization 2 with some message. So to correct this command, we have to add backslash in front of the asterisk, which is the third practice command. Then once you implement it, it shows optimization 2 folder and one optimization homework 1 file under optimization 2, and optimization 1 folder and optimization homework 1 text file under optimization 1. And let's learn the fourth practice command. Find from the current directory, type f-name. That means we are searching for only files, not directories. With optimization, with whatever. Then output shows the optimization homework 1 text file in optimization 2 folder and optimization homework 1 text file under optimization 1 folder. And let's learn the next practice command. Find from the current directory dash type d dash name. That means we are just looking for directories, not files, with the name, optimization, whatever. Then we expect the output will show optimization 1 and optimization 2 folders. As we expected, the output shows these 2 folders. And let's learn the last practice command. Find from the current directory, directories and files both, with name, with all files, with the extension txt. Then the output shows 2 syllabus text files under statistics and the management, and the 2 optimization homework 1 text file under optimization 2 and optimization 1 folders. So in this video, we have learned about the find command. In the next video, I will introduce another search command called grep. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.